Okay, so what would actually happen if you tried to fly to Jupiter? Spoiler alert, it gets dark really fast.
First things first, let's get one thing straight. You wouldn't just, crash into the planet.
Oh no, something so much worse happens, long before you would even get close.
To start with, just the trip itself. For a human, it's basically impossible.
I mean, it took NASA's Juno probe 5 to 6 years just to get there. Can you imagine being stuck in a tiny can for that long?
Let's be real, you'd run out of fuel, snacks, and just plain patience almost immediately. Mission over before it even starts.
But, okay, fine, let's pretend you could just teleport there instantly. Great. Well, space itself has some other plans for you. For starters, there's no oxygen. It's freezing, like minus 150 degrees Celsius. Then you'd get blasted by lethal radiation from Jupiter's magnetic field, which is a whopping 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. And if you somehow miraculously survived all that, you just burn up like a meteor entering the atmosphere. Poofed.
The big takeaway here? The void is not your friend. Space is actively trying to kill you at every single turn.
But all right, let's give you a magic suit that protects you from all that chaos. Now the real fun begins, because Jupiter itself, oh, it's so much worse.
You see, you can't land on Jupiter because there is nothing to land on. It's a gas giant. There's no ground. You would just fall and keep falling and falling.
And while you're falling forever, you'd feel 2.5 times heavier. That's like giving a 240-pound friend a piggyback ride that never, ever ends. Your body just isn't built for that.
You'd also get whipped around by winds hitting nearly 500 kilometers per hour. That is way, way faster than the most powerful hurricanes here on Earth.
As you plunge deeper, the pressure builds to an insane 2 million times the pressure here on Earth. It would instantly crush you into paste.
And for the grand finale, after being crushed, you'd be vaporized. The temperature there skyrockets to around 5,000 Kelvin. We're talking as hot as the surface of the sun.
So let's recap the final moments of your little trip, shall we?
You are crushed, then vaporized, and then dissolved. You don't just die. You are, for all intents and purposes, fundamentally erased from existence.
So yeah, maybe it's better to just admire Jupiter from a few 100 million miles away. But hey, on the bright side, right? No turbulence complaints.